So as you see in the title of this video, we are going to take a 3-pound pork loin and smoke it with some cherry flavored chips. All right, come along with me, guys. Here's the pork loin. It is a Smithfield. You can just pick that up right at your local Walmart. And as you can see, it is roasted garlic and herb. So we're going to let that sit here, get to room temperature, and then we're going to put a cherry flavored smoke on this. Follow along. Let's see how this turns out. All right, guys. So we let the meat come to room temperature. The smoker's up to 225 is what I have it set on. It is a little windy and cold, so it's just under 225. But I did pre-smoke it, and so what we're going to do is we're going to get this loin put in here, and I'm going to put it with the fat side up. Reason for that is I'm hoping as that cooks, the fat will kind of go down into it and around the loin. Come over here, and here's my cherry wood. Pull this out. Get these cherry wood chips in here. This is about a half a cup. Put it right in here. Just turn it, it falls down into the wood tray. I turn it back up. Now I'll be ready. I'll let the smoke for about an hour, and then I'll come back out and I'll put more wood chips in there. We'll let her go 2 hours, and we'll take a look at it. It's been 2 hours, so I'm going to get it out. What I want to do is I put 3 pats of butter on here. Normally use like an apple juice, but I'm gonna use this Smithfields hard apple cider, and just gonna put enough on here. Close this in. I'm gonna put it back in for about a half hour, 45 minutes, just to get the moisture in there and see how it tastes. But let's take a look. It's been 2 hours at 225. And there it is, guys. Get it off here. Put it right up in that butter. And get that Smithfields. All right, guys, and we'll let that go for about another hour, half hour, 45 minutes. So we're definitely over the 165. So let's get this opened up. All right, let's try this. Got a pretty good smoke flavor. It is definitely moist. So get this cut up and get ready to eat it for supper. Thanks for watching, guys.